Hi, I'm Nick from Jordan Bikes and welcome to another of our bike sale videos. So today we've got for sale a Yamaha Tracer 900. This is a 2016 bike, lovely clean thing. Mileage is 8,758, so not many at all. These are a fantastic bike to ride, really comfortable, nice high riding position, see over all the cars, and they've got the hand guards there as well from the factory just to keep the wind off your hands. They come with ABS as standard, as well as 3 power modes. They've got standard, sporty and a rain mode. A 3-cylinder engine, loads of torque, dead easy to ride, and this one's got a massive Givi top box on as well, so loads of storage with that. Fully digital dashboard, if you want to pan in there, Mr. Cameraman. Turn it off and on again for you, see the startup process on that. Oh, see you next time, it says. It's like kit. There you go. As you can see, hopefully on the camera it's in HD, so you should be able to see just how clean it is. Beautiful. I'll start it up anyway so you can hear the little puppy roar. There's a tiny little bit of surface rust on the back disc there. You might have picked it up. It's just from us washing it. First time you go for a ride, that'll come off. In fact, it's going to go through our workshop, so that'll come off when we ride it. So, you know where we are, you know our phone number. If you fancy it, give us a ring. Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.